Alright, what is up everybody? We're back in the Duramax. Welcome to the vlog. If you're new and stopping by, I would really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button. We're going to be doing an install today. Technically an install. It's not much. Fairly inexpensive. Very easy. Definitely doable yourself. So, y'all stay tuned for that. I got boxes in the back. You can see that one. We're about to move into our new house. But first off, y'all say hi to Henry. Can y'all see him right there? Y'all say hi to Henry. I know he's camera shy, but it's his first time being on video, and he really likes to go for rides. He plays fetch, and he's probably my favorite pet. So if y'all want to see more Henry in videos, leave a comment saying hi Henry down there. He really appreciates it. But back to it. We're doing an install, and we're about to be at the new place, and we're going to unload everything. For those of you just stopping in, we are at 3,534 miles. We are currently at 2,079 subs last time I checked, and that means that we're about 1,500 subs away. We were 1,800, so we've actually kind of caught up. We're about 1,500 or so subs away, and the deal is, if the amount of subs on the channel passes the amount of miles on the truck, I will be giving stuff away. It'll be things from my website, light bars, Rocklights, etc., stickers, t-shirts, whatever that person wants. So it is frowned upon to text and drive or use your phone in a school zone, so I figured it was definitely frowned upon to try to vlog while driving in a school zone. But we're about to roll up to the next house. Alright guys, well, getting to it. Here's what we're going to be installing. Today we're going to be installing jamb handles. These will allow you to close your door without touching the outside of your door. And I'll show you exactly why when we get to my truck, because it's dirty and I left it dirty so that y'all could see this. But as you can tell here, we have 2 of the 4 finger, 2 of the 3, 2 of the 2. I'll only need 4 of these, so I'll have to figure out what to do with these little 2x2s. Alright, let's get into it. So, I don't know if y'all will be able to see this or not. Let's go ahead and open the door up. If you look, you can see where the dirt is met by where I close my door by pushing on it like that. You can see kind of the outline of where all the dirt is smeared away. You can see the outline. And if we walk around to the other side of the truck, this door is not opened as much, but you can see the smudges on this door and all of them on this one as well. So these apply simply with a 3M adhesive. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and do a quick spray on here just to make sure I get all of any of the dirt off. Just kind of get that nice and clean, and then it really is, see if I can find somewhere to hang my bottle. It really is as simple as peeling off the adhesive and finding where you want to put it. So I think I'm going to do right below the handle, and it's going to go about right there, and then just push it on there. I don't know if there's a recommended amount of time. You just want to push it, make sure it's seated nice and good on there. Now, as a physical representation of having this here, instead of grabbing your door, you grab that. Pretty sweet. On to the next one. Now, we're just going to repeat the process, except on the front doors. I'm going to be using the 4s because the front doors are going to be used the most. So let's get a little bit of spray back out. Hit it once, twice. Just wipe it down, make sure it's clean. Peel off this 3M tape. There we go. And actually, I'm going to be setting these a little lower than the handle, maybe about right there, because the truck will be lifted and the position of where our hand will be will probably change as we close the doors. Not to get super critical on this, but just going to put that right there. Man, clean, simple, out of the way. This is the gloss black finish, I do believe. And instead of grabbing here, you just shut it. So spray again. Go ahead and wipe it down, just make sure it's clean. Not really a critical step, but just something that if you want to do, you can. Remove the 3M tape and put it on there. Once it's on, good to go. Right on to the last door. Just gonna hit it again. Just a little spray. Don't really need much. Wipe it down, make sure it's clean. Have the 4-piece again for the front door. Ooh. 3M comes off. Put it on there and press. And there you go. And you can just shut your door. Still have these little 2x2s left. I'll probably put them on my girlfriend's car. This company's called Jamb Handle. I'll link them down below. It's pretty sweet. Don't overlook these. They're pretty nifty. They're not expensive, and we'll see it. We'll see if it helps in the long run. But I think this will really help save the paint around where you close your door every time you get out of your vehicle. Does this qualify as a install? Probably not for most people's I don't know, requirements. What people would require to have something be called an install, because you literally are just peeling 3M tape and sticking it on there and pre-cleaning it if you want to. This is actually the first modification done to the truck. These little jamb handles. It's pretty funny. Alright guys, thank you Jamb Handle for sending me these, and thank y'all for watching this video. Alright, before I sign off, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. We've been growing like crazy. I think I've gained 500 subs in the past like week or so, 2 weeks. It's really incredible. I love the support. If you would subscribe and comment, you'll be entered into our giveaways that we have going on right now, which is of anything in my store at chevyoffroading.com. So, like I said, in order to win anything, or really for anything to be given away at all, the amount of subs needs to be past the miles on the truck. So we're about 1,000 behind. Let's see if we can pass it, and I'll give anything away. Anything up 52-inch light bar, whatever y'all want, pods, Rocklights from my store. If you want to check out my store, the link will be in the description. But yeah, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Have a nice day.